Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Rappaport-Lubering cycle. It is a supplementary pathway to glycolysis. It occurs in RBCs or erythrocytes. This Rappaport-Lubering cycle, this pathway maintains a high steady state concentration of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. It maintains a high steady state concentration of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. This 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, it is produced by a diversion in the glycolytic pathway. This diversion in glycolytic pathway is known as Rappaport-Lubering cycle. So let's see the pathway. In glycolysis, glucose is first converted to glucose 6-phosphate, then to fructose 6-phosphate. Then fructose 6-phosphate forms fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Then this fructose 1,6-bisphosphate forms dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate then converts to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Then it forms 3-phosphoglycerate. Then 2-phosphoglycerate. Then phosphoenol pyruvate and finally pyruvate. Here 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, here 1 molecule of ADP, ATP from 1 molecule of glucose. So this is the glycolytic pathway. This Rappaport-Lubering cycle is a diversion to glycolytic pathway. So in this cycle, 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, it is produced in the glycolysis. 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate which is produced in the glycolysis is converted first to 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. It is converted to 2,3-BPG, 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. This is by the enzyme 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate mutase. 2,3-BPG mutase. So in glycolysis 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is converted to 3-phosphoglycerate. But in this cycle 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is converted to 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Then this 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate is then converted to 3-phosphoglycerate. 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate to 3-phosphoglycerate. This is by the enzyme phosphatase. 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate phosphatase. 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate phosphatase. So this 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate mutase enzyme, it is a bifunctional enzyme. It has mutase and phosphatase activity. It is a bifunctional enzyme. It has mutase and phosphatase activity. Mutase activity converts 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, and phosphatase activity, it then forms or it is metabolized to 3-phosphoglycerate. So this is the pathway, that is Rappaport-Lubering cycle, or it can be called as Rappaport-Lubering shunt. So let's see the significance of this pathway or significance of this 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. This 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, it combines with hemoglobin and it reduces the affinity towards oxygen, oxygen affinity. It can combine with the hemoglobin and it reduces the oxygen affinity. So 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate shifts the oxygen dissociation curve to right due to reduced affinity towards this oxygen. If the glycolysis of RBC is impaired, there will be impaired synthesis of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Impaired synthesis of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate means it will cause increased oxygen affinity and it will shift the oxygen dissociation curve to left. So in presence of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, this oxyhemoglobin will unload oxygen to the tissues. It will unload oxygen to tissues. In the presence of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate, oxyhemoglobin will unload oxygen to the tissues. In adult hemoglobin, in the case of adult hemoglobin, this 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate concentration is high. Its concentration is high. So affinity to oxygen is less. Affinity to oxygen is less. So unloading or dissociation is more. Unloading is more. That is in the case of adult hemoglobin. In the case of fetal hemoglobin, 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate concentration is low. Concentration is low. So affinity to oxygen is more. And there will be unloading or dissociation, that will be less. Unloading is less. So in fetal hemoglobin, 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate concentration is low. So affinity towards oxygen is more and unloading is less. That is the first significance of 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Then 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate concentration increases in hypoxia, then in high altitudes, and in chronic anemia. In all these cases, concentration of bisphosphoglycerate increases. Then acidosis cause a decrease in 2,3-bisphosphoglycerate. In acidosis, there will be decrease in 2,3-BPG. So this is about Rappaport-Lubering cycle or Rappaport-Lubering shunt. This is today's topic. Thank you for watching.